Hello, I'm Susan Labiste, and I'd like to demonstrate marcasite and flint as a method of generating a spark to ignite a fire. So first I'd like to talk about iron pyrite, the fact that it's not all the same. The usual form is pretty blocky, like this. Let's see, I'm not sure. Like this, and very cubic in form, but it also comes in a nodular form, and it has a different crystalline structure, which you can see here. It looks like sort of a starburst pattern. So the piece I'm going to use to generate fire is going to be this one, which has had the top knocked off and a groove placed to get at the more reactive material on the inside. I've reproduced a pouch that was illustrated in Walter Hughes' article, and inside the pouch, this is a reproduction of a pouch collected in Alaska. I've hafted a small piece of flint. Got a little bone picker here for taking out the material. That was not included in the original. And then this, also in the original, is a little pouch zone of leather that has a tinder inside. The original also has a tinder reservoir here, which also serves to hold this in a belt so that it doesn't slip. As illustrated in Walter Hughes' article, it has a little bag here that's filled with animal hair. It's a finger guard. The tinder sits on top like this, and our little marcasite goes right on top. Pardon my extremely dirty hands. Alright, here we go. See if I can get a spark. Now the sparks are going to be really faint, so you may not see them at all. That spark has to land right on the tinder, so let me fluff that up a little bit. Not quite. There it goes. So then this is the material that's going to come out and be placed into a tinder bundle and blown up into a flame. All right, thanks.